Welcome everyone to today's drawing tutorial where we shall make a beautiful artwork of earth, stars and the sun. Grab your pencils, paper and let's get started on this creative journey together. Begin by drawing a large circle in the center of your paper for the earth. Add details like continents and oceans to make our planet come to life. Now, let's draw smaller circles scattered around the earth for the stars. Make some stars bigger and others smaller to create depth and variety. Connect some stars with faint lines to represent distant constellations. Next, draw a big circle above the earth for the shining sun. Add fairy rays around the sun to show its powerful energy. Shade the sun's surface with gradients of yellow and orange to make it realistic. Don't forget to add some shooting stars streaking across the sky for extra magic. Take your time blending colors for the art to make it look vibrant and alive. Use shades of blue and green to depict land and water on our beautiful planet. Experiment with different techniques to make the stars shimmer and shine. Add more stars in clusters to fill up the night flow as you draw. Use a soft pencil to lightly with your fingers or a blending stump for a smooth finish. Take breaks to step back and admire your progress and make adjustments as needed. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Mistakes are just opportunities to learn and improve. Keep adding layers of color and texture until you are satisfied with the result. Pay attention to light and shadow to create depth and dimension in your drawing. Use reference images of the earth, stars and sun to inspire your drawing. Use a kneaded razor to gently lift off any excess pencil marks or smudges. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to draw. Let your imagination guide you. Share your drawings on social media using. Thanks for watching this video.